sunshine. Saturday, I'm instantly in a better mood. And I'm even happier because behind me is a WFM Minsk that I'm taking to the team, Sulmiazisa, the one you know for restoring old motorcycles. With me is a WFM with a Minsk engine. Apparently this motorcycle produces about 15 horsepower, also from a 125cc engine. You have to admit that's real power. I'd like to say it's a surprise, but some time ago we already revealed our plans, so they know exactly what I'm bringing them. I don't know if they can imagine what kind of machine this is. So what kind of machine is it? Well, it's a motorcycle with handlebars like this with brakes, drum brakes, quite large ones for a motorcycle. If we were to compare them to the ones we could find on other motorcycles, a super sporty WFM with a plastic fuel tank and a fantastic front fairing. And I've already checked, for example, that the front brake works even though it's cable operated. There is number here. And here's another cool thing, we've got a sporty exhaust and a lever. The gear shift is reversed too, so it's going to be totally sporty. I can't wait for our crew to see it, our team, when they see this machine, because when I saw this gem for the first time, I was speechless. We are very grateful to Mr. Gonsurek for selling us this motorcycle. We hope and we're sure that he won't regret his decision, because I've already seen motorcycles that the crew from Tulumiazais had the chance to restore, and they looked really, really good. Let's take another quick look at the WFM 125 of the Minsk engine. It's a bit frozen because it's -5 degrees. Low motorcycles, low Saturday. We're heading to Sulmiazais. Low motorcycles, low Sulmiazais, low Saturday, and low stripes. Tobias, you were supposed to pull me up. Now I can go. Then in the back, because this is a sport motorcycle, you know, knees up by the handlebars, and it's a sport bike, not just by name. This is a 125 that has 15 horsepower, so it should go pretty well. Plus it already has a sport exhaust. The tank is laminated, it's not metal lot at all, it's some kind of plastic. And from what I gathered, it has very low mileage, so I suspect that a minor overhaul should get it running. Actually, I even suspect that if we clean the points, clean the carburetor, and poured in some gasoline, it should start. You won't find this equipment anywhere on the market. This motorcycle is based on the Minsk, so most of the parts are from the Minsk. However, we can't say it's a Minsk, because if the person who owns and represents the WFM brand had a hand in it, then it's a WFM, as evidenced by the sticker on this side of the engine. That means if you were to put it on the shaft here, or if you put on the starter, it should start up here. It's just that the starter is kicked in this direction, so it would hit the lever. Do you like it?
All right.
Burnout!
Burnout!
There was no burnout.
It is completely flat. We have definitely got it.
That's the spirit. No time for talking. The carburetor needs to be unscrewed, cleaned, and then we can start the machine. No, from Nikon there's nothing here. Yeah, it's clogged.
I truly wasn't supposed to. My intention was to remain completely nothing, not a speck of glue. But damn, circumstances have clearly changed, and now it seems absolutely imperative that you have to make direct physical contact, despite my previous performance. Already?
That's power. What happened to you?
I have no strength. Oh, this time it won't work with him because his hand is shaking.
And the task. Your task is to get this motorcycle ready so it can race again, make it fast, and make it look good once more. I think you like this because I can already see that this machine isn't in the worst condition. And at the same time, you'll have the chance to learn how to ride a bit more sportily.